What we are not bringing into 2026 is bad energy, bad credit, bad income, anything that doesn't provide us prosperity or value. And if that's what you see for yourself in 2026, this is the video you need to see. You didn't see this by random. This video was specifically for you. I'm going to show you, yes, you, the blueprint, the roadmap to not only making more money and fixing your credit, but also building your confidence, protecting your peace, and just elevating yourself overall for 2026. What's up, beautiful people? It's your favorite girl, Candace, back with another video. You already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button as well as ring them bells so you guys get notifications every single time that I upload. And of course, give this video a thumbs up because I am about to put you on money. So with that being said, let's get it. What we are not bringing into 2026 is bad energy, bad credit, bad income, anything that doesn't provide us prosperity or value. And if that's what you see for yourself in 2026, this is the video you need to see. You didn't see this by random. This video was specifically for you. I'm going to show you, yes, you, the blueprint, the roadmap to not only making more money and fixing your credit, but also building your confidence, protecting your peace, and just elevating yourself overall for 2026. This is not a new year, new me situation. This is a better me. Stepping into a new era where nothing short of greatness is allowed to exist. And it starts with this, your mind. Now, I know that's cliche to say. Everyone says, oh, it's a mindset. It's true. It's physically and mentally impossible to elevate or become better without first starting here, fixing how you think, how you see things, and your perspective. You can't go into anything that you want to be great in saying, maybe this will work, or hopefully this works, or I'm gonna just try it. You have to give yourself no other option but for it to work. Because in your mind, if you create a plan B, you will always fall back on it. In your mind, there cannot be a safety net. This is the only way that it can work. I can only be a better person. I can only protect my peace. I can only make more money. If this doesn't work, there is no other option. And that's how I became a millionaire before 25, despite my situation. Yes, I was a teen mom. Yes, I was struggling. Yes, I didn't go to college or come from a wealthy family. But to me, I told myself that this has to work. This business that I start has to work. There's no other option. My daughter depends on it. My livelihood depends on it. There's no other way. This has to work. You cannot allow situations and circumstances, especially ones that you can't control, be an excuse as to why you can't. You have to use that as fuel to motivate you and give you reasons as to why it has to work. Because at the end of the day, the reality is nobody cares about what you're going through. Nobody cares that you have a situation. That's just how the world works. Yes, people can have empathy for you, but that's not going to pay bills. That's not going to put you in positions. You have to use that as fuel to keep going and make things happen. And regardless if you're going through something or not, at the end of the day, we are human. We're always going to want more. We're always going to want better. And that's the purpose of this video. So going into 2026, we have to change our mindset. We have to look at things from a different perspective. Because if you can change this, you can change the outcome of any situation. I am very much a God-fearing Christian woman, and I do believe God is in every step that I take. So I do believe that God presents us blessings and opportunities, but it's up to us to take it. And it's hard for us to accept opportunity or even see the blessings when our mindset is not there. So yes, with your mind, it translates into actions. And most of you guys watching this video live in America. If you don't, stick around. This video still applies to you. Being in America, credit is so important. You can't get a house, a car. Heck, sometimes you can't even get a job without a decent credit score. I learned the hard way that even having money, credit can hold you back from so much more. Not only can credit hold you back from basic necessities, but also opportunities, investments, being able to build and create a business for yourself. And unfortunately, a lot of Americans struggle with this. 1 in every 3 Americans have at least one negative item on their credit report. But here's the thing, despite what everyone says, credit is not as scary as you think. I, for one, was scared of credit. I didn't think I would ever be able to have a good credit score. I came from bad credit and bad financial decision making. I literally came from the poverty in Florida, Section 8. But if you really look into it, credit is actually extremely simple. In fact, there are laws that protect people, me and you, as consumers from collection agencies. So yes, you can have negative items on your credit report that you can have removed. using these laws, regardless if you owe that debt or not. As a testimony myself, I was able to get 4 student loans removed from my credit report. Yes, I did go to a community college when I was a teen mom because I needed that student loans to help me pay bills and get by, which I ultimately dropped out anyway, so it did no good for me. But not just that, medical bills. And I'm just one of thousands of people in my personal community that was able to get millions of dollars of debt removed. Anything from bankruptcy, student loans, evictions, late payments, inquiries, bills that went to collection. Anything. Because here's the thing, a lot of collection agencies don't really have what they need in order to collect on these debts. But because most people don't know their rights, they get away with it, in turn hurting you, your credit score, and even your pockets. Now, the company that I'm with actually helps people get these negative items removed. Most credit repair companies charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Our company, on the other hand, charges less than a dinner date. And if you're watching this video right now and you need this, for the next 24 hours, there's actually going to be a more than 50% off discount, which the link will be in the description below. But this company does not only help you fix your credit, but build your credit, allowing you to start 2026 off right. I'm talking being able to get into your new car, getting into your new home. I know you're tired of hearing denied. It's time for 2026 to be approved all year. Not only can you fix and build your credit with this company, but you can also use this as a vehicle to make more money, giving you an online income stream. And if you're new to my channel, this is how I was able to make over $5.5 million online from my phone. And it's with digital affiliate marketing with this company specifically. Digital affiliate marketing is a business model that allows regular people to get into these 6, 7, 8-figure niches without having experience or following or having to build up a company or a brand. You're just taking somebody else's already done successful business that has testimonies, that has results, and promoting it online, and you get a percentage of those sales. Most companies pay 5 to 30%, whereas this company pays out 100% plus monthly residuals, meaning that you're going to get paid every single week for the work that you do, but then that work that you've done is going to keep getting paid on every single month, meaning it's going to compound and become a residual income, something that you can retire with. And I've taught over 30,000 people how they can use their smartphone doing something you're already doing anyways. If you're on social media, if you can post online, if you can copy and paste, then this is something you can absolutely 100% do and start earning for 2026. People are making anywhere from $100 to $500 a day. Let's say you make $300 a day in the middle. $300 a day for 365 days, that's $109,500. That's not just a supplement income, that replaces your income, something you can live off of. And most people spend no more than 2 hours a day. And in my community, we have a step-by-step training that walks you through A to Z on how you can start earning right away. But again, it is member access and invite only. So watching this video, again, you can use this for the credit, you can use this for the income, you can use it for both or one or the other. But for the next 24 hours, it's going to be more than 50% off, and the link is going to be in the description. And it is limited spots. So once spots are gone, spots are gone. But that's how we're going to fix our mindset, our credit, our income. And our confidence is going to come from building this business and posting online. At the end of the day, when we think good, when our credit is good, when we start hearing yes to things, once we have our pockets filled, that's going to bring confidence. At one point, yes, I was not confident at all, too scared to post online, too scared to socialize, too scared to just be myself and live in my skin. Once I was able to fix everything from my mind, my body to my soul, I haven't been more confident than ever. You see me here making videos. Not saying that you have to ever get to a point to this, but overall, having money in your pocket, you can't lie. Like, that feels good. Like, you walk around happy, you have better energy. And that right there is going to protect your energy because you're able to generate more positive energy. I look at life like this. I'm in a bubble. This is my happy bubble. And I don't allow anything outside influence or penetrate my bubble. And that's why I'm so successful as I am today. And that's how you should be for 2026. Have a bubble, protect your bubble, and don't let anything infiltrate or penetrate your bubble. I don't want this video to be too crazy long, so if you want to work with me specifically, I don't want this video to be too long, so if you want to learn from me specifically, want to build your credit, make more money, build your confidence, and fix your mindset, and be a part of my community, then of course, again, click the link down in the description to connect with me or to get started. And with that being said, make sure you subscribe, like, and ring them bells because I'm always going to put you guys on money and help you elevate. So with that being said, bye. Peace.